Can you dance?
Nate, can you dance? Nate, can you look at the camera? Say pool. Nathan, can you say 4th of July? Nathan, look at the camera. Say 4th of July.
Nate, can you say pool? Pool. You want to get out?
Babe, take his hat off for a minute. Nathan, you smile to Daddy? Hat. You want your hat? Okay. Put your hat back on.
You want to sit down in the pool? Yeah, let's not play with the string.
Let's not play with the string, but
Some water? Nate, you want water?
Yo,
Splash?
Mama, can you say hi, Mama?
Come here, let's splash.
Nathan, come back to the pool, son.
Here, look. Watch.
Come off the step. Nathan, can you say yee-haw? Those your Crocs? Can you say Crocs? Good job, Nathan.
Nate, I'm gonna squirt you. You want some more? More? Oh, I'm all out. Let me get some more.
Yeah. Nate, do yee-haw.
Splash, splash.
Nathan, what's Mama's teapot do? Yes.
Tea kettle. I'm gonna spray you.
Nate, what's a cow do? Moo cow.
Oh, I got your face, sorry.
What's on your head? What is that?
You wanna get in the pool?
Get in the pool.